How do we name this compound, which is acrylic acid, according to IUPAC? Well, first of all, acrylic acid is really important in industry. It forms the backbone of all sorts of polymers, family name being acrylates, with all sorts of different functional groups here instead of that hydrogen. But according to IUPAC, it's not acrylic acid. That's a common name. So how do we name this? Well, first of all, let's identify the highest priority functional group. We have this carboxylic acid group, and then we have this double bond, which is an alkene, and carboxylic acid groups are higher priority. So let's first look at a simpler problem and just figure out how to name this. Well, we have a carboxylic acid with 1, 2, 3 carbons in the main chain, so that's propanoic acid. And now let's add back the other group and figure out how do we identify where this is. Well, when you name alkenes, you want to give them the lowest number possible. So in other words, this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2, and then the alkene extends from carbon 2 to carbon 3, but we always use the lower number. So we have an alkene group that starts on carbon 2. So we have propanoic acid. The an in propanoic acid is indicating that the rest of the chain is an alkane. So and then instead of anoic acid, we're going to change it from an to ene, indicating that there's an alkene on a particular carbon. So instead of propanoic acid, we're going to have prop, and then identify where it is, 2, because carbon 1, carbon 2, the alkene starts, and then it's ene, and then we just continue with the rest of the compound, and that's oic acid, and that's the name of this according to IUPAC. Guys, if this helped, please give a like, follow, share, save. Check me out over here, and I'll see you in the next one.